Hey you guys, this is Queen Mama Elena's Kitchen Products, and we make our own seasoning, spices, and sauces. And I wanted to show you a quick tip because when you do your seasonings, you need to seal it for protection. You see this is open, right? It's open. Here's the tip. Here's my coffee pot. Has a hot plate. I'm going to seal this packet. You see, I'm sealing it on the hot plate with my coffee maker. You see, this is sealed. Now it's protected and ready for shipping. You can't open it right here on my coffee maker.